What's going on, folks? I wanted to give you a 21:9 aspect ratio video. So if you don't have a device that can view this content, you probably won't see it in 21:9. But this is the SONY Xperia 10. I think after the update, I got this update on the device, and I think it kind of messed up the camera, so I'm probably going to reset the phone. But what do you think about this footage? I started to get like this tint, like a different color hue behind all the photos and video. And I decided to just go ahead and upload this directly to YouTube. But what do you think about the quality of this footage? I'll view it with you. But nonetheless, I got the last update from Sony, and I don't know what it did to the phone. It kind of gave it like a yellowish hue or some kind of, sometimes it's an orange hue. I don't know. There's a little friend. But yeah, this is just a quick 21:9 aspect ratio 21:9 aspect ratio video. Shooting this in 4K, and I had done another video when I had the footage for 21:9. I uploaded, and you guys said, Jay, it's definitely not. And, you guys were right about that. I think I said that in another video, because I uploaded it, I recorded it in 21:9, but I actually mixed it with videos that were 16:9, and then it didn't pick up once I actually got it onto YouTube. So it's my fault. But this is just a sample that's going straight to YouTube. What do you think about this quality footage? It's a bright day outside. It's beautiful. So if you have an ultra-wide monitor, you can go into Chrome and add the extension. Just search for the ultra-wide extension, Google it, and you'll add it to your Chrome browser. And if you have a 21:9 aspect ratio phone already, which is pretty much just the Sony phones and the Motorola Vision 1, it's not even out yet though. And then you also have the Mate 20X, should be able to view this footage in 21:9 aspect ratio. So what do you guys think? Quality look good? Do I need to reset the phone and see if that helps? All right, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.